Hi bad kids, welcome to my special bonus episode. Today I'm going to show you how I packed with carry-on only for a 6-week trip to Europe. I couldn't wear my new docs in time, so I'm bringing my old ones, but they're too trashy to wear out, so I'm bringing some slides as well. These shoes I will live in, they are my comfy shoes. Alright, makeup and toiletries. I got this cute little thing, so cleanser, perfume, sunscreen, moisturizer, for the face, for the body, deodorant, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, makeup, super minimal. This has a sponge in it, so I don't need any brushes, concealer, mascara, my favorite, liners, nasal spray and chapstick, passport, razor, and my bra. I have some non-negotiables, so some festival outfits for Tomorrowland. Hat, bathers, adapter, this is an all-in-one. But power bank, sunnies, eye mask, Ricky, bum bag which I'll wear everywhere day and night, socks and underwear, a microfiber towel so it folds up nice and small. Now for the hard part. Airport outfit, so long pants and a long sleeve top. Then I've got 2 dresses, a maxi skirt because I need something moral to wear in the mosques in Turkey, so that is going to be paired with the t-shirt. All of these singlets I can rotate with my favorite denim shorts. I was going to bring 2, but I'm just narrowing it down to 1. This I'll wear over the top as an extra layer at night time. And that is everything I'm packing for 6 weeks. I've made it so there's still going to be a bit of room in my suitcase in case I want to buy 1 or 2 items. And yeah, my one concern is being too cold, but I've got a turtleneck to wear as part of my airplane clothes, so hopefully that gets me through on the cold nights in Amsterdam and Holland. Just to recap, so I'm bringing 2 dresses, 1 pair of pants, a long sleeve top, a pair of shorts, 1 t-shirt, 3 singlets, and then my rave stuff and essentials, and that's it. How do you think I've done? And my bag is packed. We're at 5.6 kilos. I bought this little High Sierra duffel bag, but it's a backpack. So I measured it and it's perfect for cabin size. So I'm using it so I get the maximum space allowed and carry on. Ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learnt some good tips. Next time, we're off to Amsterdam.